Oh, oh,
Hold on.
oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Brennan Bateskey's car. He didn't tell me this was coming out. Wow. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today, I got my partner Paige and May from Paige and TV, and we got a new box from Mattel from Hot Wheels, and this is Mix F for the. Oh, look at that!
Oh, that's cool.
That is definitely cool. That is Alex Laughlin's Corvette Z06 drag racer. There are two sets in each case of these.
Did you know the number was 26?
26, that's 26, isn't it?
26.
Let's see. There we go. This is the Lancia Stratos.
And that one, 26.
Oh, look, another of Alex's car. And I don't, it shows that Alex's autograph is on there.
Can I see?
Right there, Alex Laughlin. You remember the...
Wait a minute. Let me see that.
What? You know?
Same.
Are they the same?
Yeah.
Good eye. You remember the interview I did with Alex Laughlin in Syracuse a couple of years back when we went to the Hot Wheels car care thing?
No.
All right. Well, here, we got that one there, and that one there.
And that one there.
Well, we're gonna make two sets. All right. And that one.
Yeah.
You know that look. I was gonna say it looked like glow in the dark, but it's not.
Maybe.
There we go.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute, what? Oh. Oh.
Hold on.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Brennan Bateskey's car. He didn't tell me this was coming out. Wow. You know what? I think we're gonna have to do it. I can't because my phone is over there. I was gonna say we're gonna give Brendan a call and see what the deal is on this. All right. So that is definitely cool. Congratulations, buddy. Wow, very cool. So we're gonna put these over here, the other set.
We have these.
And we are going to go through these one by one. All right. So. Let's get the numbers ready. The numbers are 26.
Wait a minute.
27.
208.
28. 29. 30.
30.
All right?
We have 30. 30.
That's right. You're getting there. You're going to school this year, huh? In September?
Yes.
Yeah, kindergarten?
Kindergarten.
Wow, my goodness. And you have a sibling coming, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What do you want?
And I'm only 5.
I know you're only 5. You want a little brother or a little sister?
Little sister.
A little sister? Okay. All right. Let's go. Number 26. Number 26 is Alex Laughlin's Corvette Z06 drag car. And that is absolutely beautiful. It's done in a dark metallic blue.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a light Hot Wheels tampo underneath the blue.
Yes.
Has a big blue tint metal engine. Says Speed Society on the hood. Headlights are done up really nice. Interior is black. Cage is black. Windows are tinted pretty good on it. Has gray plastic chutes in the back, which I think are going to go with the tow hook on the front. That's when they.
Yeah.
You remember that picture of my altered with my buddy Lynn towing me back after the race? They would tow you back down return road. Well, that's what they do. And let's see, it's semi-gloss black painted metal base. The wheels are kind of weird. I've never seen these before. They are blacked out with a red line on them. Big ones in the back and little ones in the front. Look like a real skinny. Of course, got to be a skinny wheel in the front for roll out. They have red lines on them, which is really cool. And that is it for Alex Laughlin's Corvette Z06 drag racer. Next one up, our buddy, our good friend, Brennan Bateskey's custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. And this is the way that that Brendan drives it around the streets of California, drives it to work. Now imagine being a Hot Wheel designer and you're driving your Hot Wheel to work every day and ends up being a Hot Wheel car. Well, yeah, because my race car was made into a Hot Wheel car. But Brendan is definitely one of the coolest guys out there. And it's really cool that he drives his car all around the streets of California. And like I said, this is the way that I first saw the car. No hood on it, got an LS in it. Must be really cool to drive your own hot rod around every day in California and then go to work and design Hot Wheel cars, huh? Yeah, that's really cool. But yeah, this is Brennan Bateskey's custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. Got an LS engine in it. The interior is black. Windows are tinted a little bit. The engine is painted. The intake and the valve covers with the coils on it are painted gray. Let's see. Looks like I got some other things that are painted in there also. Taillights done really, really nice. Headlights done up really, really nice. The base is a semi-gloss black painted metal base. The wheels look like A-mold Corvette wheels off of the original ZR1 Corvettes. Got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. They are gray plastic with rubber tires.
Rubber tires? They don't go good on the track.
No, they don't go good on the track, do they?
No.
No. But these, I guess these are just for looking at, not for playing on the track like we do, huh?
I know.
And you know what? Brendan asked me the other day what cars are good on the track. So we're going to have to tell him, buddy, your car with the regular tires go much better than the rubber tires. But yep, there it is. It's got the big gloss black meatball on the side there. You know what that's for?
A meatball?
A meatball. Well, you can't eat that meatball. But that big black circle on there so Brendan can put numbers in there when he goes and he takes it on track day.
Oh.
Yeah, takes it to the track and he races it on the weekends. You know?
Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So there you go. Number 27, custom 67 Pontiac Firebird, Brennan Bateskey's car. Number 28, Porsche 964. And that is...
That's the same meatball.
Yeah, it's got a meatball in there. That's right. And looks like somebody's street car. I don't know whose. Maybe it's somebody at Mattel has that car.
Maybe.
We're gonna have to ask, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
All right. This is done. It looks like a like a seafoam green, metallic.
Oh, kind of looks like a candy green.
Like a what?
Like a candy green.
Does it look like a candy green? Mm-hmm. It could be. It could be.
And it's super shiny.
It is very super shiny. It's got a lot of clear on it.
Oh yeah.
Has very light. What color do you think those stripes are?
Those stripes?
Are they tan or kind of a light green?
That's like a darkish yellow.
A darkish yellow?
Yeah.
Or a really light green?
A tannish yellow.
A tannish yellow? Okay, we'll call it a tannish yellow. The bumpers are done that way, front and back. The meatball on the side. The stripes go up the hood, the roof, and the trunk lid. But actually, it's the other way around because the engine's in the back of these.
Yeah.
So that the front end would be a frunk, a front trunk.
A front trunk.
A front trunk, yeah. And the back is where the engine is. The interior looks to be tan, and the windows are tinted pretty good on it. The base, again, is a semi-gloss black painted metal base. The wheels, they are 5 spokes. I don't really know the name of them, but they are a dark gray 5-spoke.
Oh, look at those shiny lights.
I know. The headlights are done really, really nice on it. Got the Porsche emblem on the nose.
Looks like they're metal.
Yeah, they do. They do.
And that kind of looks like a diamond.
Yeah, they do a really nice job in painting in detail. The taillights are done up really, really nice on it too. And that is it for the number 28, which is the Porsche 964. Next one out, number 29, is the Lancia Stratos Group 5, and that is done in white enamel. No metallic in it at all. Has red and green and white stripes.
Ooh, that looks like it's a Christmas one.
It does look like a Christmas one, doesn't it?
Maybe it is.
Yeah, well, this is the Italian racing colors. Whenever you see a white car with the red and green like that, that's an Italian race car.
Oh.
Okay. Interior is black. Window is clear. The wheels are 4-spoke, and they are red plastic. They're really small on this. The base is white enamel painted metal base. It's a very, very bright white.
Yeah.
The back of it looks like it's metal, metal gray. Looks like exhaust. And that is about it for this one. The on the hood, or on the front, and I'm going to guess that there's an engine up front, maybe, because there's a lot of louvers.
There's another front truck.
Frunk? A front trunk? Okay. And it has a green rear spoiler on it. And that is it. Number 29 for the Boulevard series. And it is the Lancia Stratos Group 5. Last one up is an 87 Buick Regal GNX.
Oh, that's cool.
You like that? Yeah. The GNX is a Buick Regal. That's a dark gray, got a light metallic gray. Oh, you know what? There's a lot of flake in that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it is a charcoal gray metallic.
Yeah, and did you know the stripes?
The stripes on it?
Kind of on the side.
Oh, on the side.
It's like of a darkish red.
Yep. There's dark red in there. The wheels are a very thin 10-spoke. Dark gray 10-spokes are the same size all the way around.
Are you sure they aren't black?
No, they're not black. They're very, very dark charcoal gray.
But the inside's black.
Yeah, no, that's because you can see right through them. The windows are smoked, kind of dark. The headlights are done really, really nice. Got a front license plate on there, and I'll bet you that is
license plates.
Yeah, it's got a turbo.
Put that one in the back.
Well, it does have one in the back, right there.
I can't see that well.
No, I know. They make them really small, don't they?
Oh yeah, they should make a bigger.
Yeah. Well, they can't make it bigger. Everything's to scale.
I know.
But the front one has the GNX turbo sign.
Ooh,
all right.
GNX.
There are directional lights on the front. The headlights are done really nice. The grille is done really nice. And on the back, the tail lights are done really, really nice also.
Ooh.
This was a 6-cylinder car with a turbocharger on it.
Oh.
And in that year, the GNX was the fastest production car on the market.
Oh, maybe
it beat Corvettes.
Yeah.
It beat Mustangs.
Oh.
It beat every American production car that was made for 1987.
Oh, Nana has a Corvette.
Yep, Nana had a Corvette. Hers was
She has one in the driveway.
No, not now. That's not a Corvette.
Oh.
That's a Fiat Spider 124 A-bar.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a little tiny thing.
Oh, yeah.
But she's had lots of Corvettes. Nana's had lots of sports cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's one of them sporty girls.
And you are building a truck in the garage.
Yes, I'm building that truck. That truck's been around longer than you.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
It's been around how long Daddy was around.
Yeah, well, that's a whole nother story. That's like the Vegas story. We're not going to talk about that one, okay? Don't forget, if you get a case of those, there are 2 complete sets in these. And, man, I can't wait to have Brendan autograph my custom 67 Firebird of his. And I'm going to see if we can get a little interview on him for this, okay? Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And, of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time.
Paisley TV.
Oh, that's right. And please watch Paisley TV on YouTube also with your little ones. She does lots of cool stuff. Lots of different toys and things.
I have 2 baby doll videos? No, 1.
One? I know, but people send you things to review also.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing. So thank you very much. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.